However, if it starts losing this monthly level and flips it to resistance, then there's a ton of stuff to revisit here, and you can go back down to 50K just like that. Hello, technical analysis fans. Here's Coach Victor again here at Safehouse, and today I want to talk to you about, well, what everybody's talking about: Bitcoin, 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 going to the moon.
And liftoff.
Yeah, it's the hype. What can I say? Let's just do it. Let's get cooking.
Before you continue, please pause the video and read this straight disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
Were you guys around, and gals, a few years ago when that song was around about Bitcoin, please go to moon?
Bitcoin, please go to moon.
Well, here we are again. If this is not the moon, then I don't know what. I mean, this has just been ripping, and then ripping some more. Look at it. The 61,400 monthly has been reached. And just very slightly above, there's another very interesting level, 65.5. That's an untapped weekly level. I'm pretty sure it's the last one. Let me check real quick. Yep, that's the last weekly level of resistance for Bitcoin. Believe it or not. Just slightly higher. And after that, well, pretty much all-time highs. I guess we could mark that one too, no? Because now it's pretty close. 69,182.5. This is the Bybit BTC USD chart. So you might have a different price up here or for these levels if you're using a different chart. That's very important always to keep in mind. Not all charts will have the exact same levels or the same volume readings. Also very important. So here we are. Here we are. What a crazy, crazy week. And what a crazy, crazy month. 47, 51%. Oh, this is crazy. Yeah, and all sorts of news. Let's check some news. Crypto stocks rises. Bitcoin set for biggest monthly jump. Altcoin season. Oh, analyst predicts 2x surge post Bitcoin rally. You know, back then, I do remember, and even older than this chart is, I do remember that the alts did come a little bit later. Yeah, if Bitcoin raged, the alts lost compared to Bitcoin or gained less, and the alts would catch up a little bit later. And then there were all these theories about, oh, the money's flowing in, it's flowing out, it's blah. And Bitcoin was already showing sometimes, pretty bearish signs, and the altcoins were just late. And on the way down, the same thing happened. Yeah. Usually the altcoins are more exaggerated, so they can go higher than you think and lower than you think. That's what it's been, at least historically. Now it's a bit of a different situation than back then, but perhaps the dynamics stay the same. Uncle Sam moves almost 1 billion in Bitcoin before a big financial attack. Attacker turns witness. So now they're mobilizing Bitcoin so they can pay back all these people that got scammed. Well, I guess this would be a good price to sell, wouldn't it? Lots of liquidity, lots of FOMO. That's when you can take profits very nicely, exactly at areas like this. US government moves 922 million of seized Bitcoin after recently above 60,000. They waited for price to be high enough so they could sell it. Well, if that's even true, most of this stuff is clickbait anyway. But one thing I'm going to tell you is, going back to technical analysis and what we're actually all about here at Safehouse Vanguard, is the premium membership, where we go into this stuff in more detail during live trading sessions, daily sit reps, where we cover not just this asset, but a multitude of assets, including legacy markets, forex, gold, etc., and the stock market, which is, for me, extremely fun to trade as well. But yeah, we go into a lot more detail on the low time frames, because this right now is a monthly candle. Yeah, this is the monthly time frame. So this candle here is all of February, right? The huge pump. However, this is a monthly level. This is a monthly candle. And what is today? 29th of February. Today, the month ends. Finito. No more. Tomorrow, we get a new monthly candle. So I'm going to go back to the same thing I've told you 1,000 times already. If this candle closes above the monthly level, like let's say it closes right here, it does not move at all for the rest of the day, and then price comes back to the monthly level next month, which would be tomorrow, or after that, thereafter, let's say, and flips it to support, then we can, and same tactic here with a weekly level, then all-time highs are definitely a possibility. Yeah, simple as that. However, if this monthly candle closes down here somewhere, so below the monthly level, then it would close, let's say, down here, goes back up to revisit it again, and perhaps start pulling back. Yeah, and after a rise like this, It's just very inefficient. Now, the last time something similar happened was here, October 2021, as you can see. There was also a similar rise from 43.6 all the way up to 67. Yeah? Then the month ended here. The following month, it actually went higher, took the high of the previous month, pulled back, lost the monthly open, and created a monthly level of resistance. Yeah? And this was so bearish that not even the following month was able to revisit the area for a backtest. Yeah? It just went down to 30K, wasn't it? No, more. 30K here, and then the 50K. Yeah, that was the second point. How much time do you have to decide what to do? That's another very important thing because people are going nuts right now. And how do we know that? That's because we have specialized software available where you can actually see who's coming into the market. And I'm telling you, it's millions and millions and millions of market longs just piling on every day. Yeah, I mean, 50, 60, 100 million just in a matter of half an hour and 1 hour. It's insane. So the money pouring in is a lot. So as long as money pours in and market participants buy, then price goes up and it's fine. The problem comes when money pours in and price does not go up. Then it starts getting very interesting and dangerous for some market participants. So what is my recommendation? Well, nothing at all, because I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. It's just for educational purposes. But I can tell you what I'm doing. What I'm doing is waiting. What? But, no buts. I'm waiting. Why? Because the monthly candle will end today and I'll have a new one tomorrow. And I'll have much more information than I have right now. So is it really worth it to jump in now? Dude, the move already happened, 51% up. Yeah, but what if it goes to all-time highs? Then I will see it and I can decide what to do when. But I don't want to rush anything because there's absolutely no need for it. Zero need. There's no need for ridiculous price targets. Talking about 200,000 when we just crossed 60K. I mean, just calm down. My best recommendation is calm down, go outside, get some fresh air, just chill for today and let's see what happens tomorrow. Is this bullish? Yes, as it stands, of course. But more bullishness would be if that mechanic that I just told you about with flipping the monthly level to support actually happens and it makes another high. Even more bullish if it makes an all-time high. However, that does not guarantee anything. As you can see here in 2021, it already made a new all-time high in November and then gave it all back. So, you know, it can still be a swing failure pattern kind of thing or failed auction process. So not just make a new high, but actually flippity flip, continue making higher highs and higher lows. Then everything's fine. If not, well, I can tell you that the inefficiencies this week alone have been ridiculous. You know? The FOMO is absolutely nuts. But look at what the daily candles are doing. I mean, they don't fit the monthly level. Okay, that's why I'm waiting for the monthly candle. But it's been 3 days of absolute madness, yeah, since Monday, basically. So last week of February, 25% up in 3 days. That's ridiculous. That's just ridiculous. And look at what the daily candle is doing. Close above, back to test support, and it's holding. So as long as it holds, it's fine. However, if it starts losing this monthly level and flips it to resistance, then there's a ton of stuff to revisit here, and you can go back down to 50K just like that. Yeah, not even. You like wake up in the morning, it's like, what, 50K? Yeah, that's what can happen, yeah? So that's something you need to be aware of, and that's why I'm being extra patient, all right? If you want to find out more about this and you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. That helps us out a lot. And then join us over on Discord, 2-week free trial to check out what we're doing and check out the live trading sessions and all that stuff and the juicy content that we have and the modules. And yeah, we got lots of stuff, lots of fun stuff for you. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you out. I am looking forward to today's best trading session in the world, the New York trading session. So I'll see you on Discord. Bye-bye. Adios. Tschüss.
Elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.